We'll call this meeting to order, the Blackhawk County Board of Supervisors for September 6, 2022. Roll call, Mr. Beater.
Leyland,
Here.
Little,
Here.
Schwartz,
Here.
Jelka,
Here.
White.
Here. Have a moment of silence to reflect on our actions of the day. Please join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. Pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Have the agenda received as proposed or as amended?
So moved.
Second.
Moved and seconded. Any discussion? Hearing none, all in favor, aye.
Aye.
Opposed, motion carried. Public comments? Don't see anybody here from the public. Anybody online? I don't see anybody online either. So moving on to Years of Service Awards. Mr. Beater.
We have several years of service awards today. For 20 years of service, Matt Isley of the Sheriff's Office. For 25 years of service, Todd Davis of Maintenance. I don't see anybody here today. For 30 years of service, Christine Taylor from the Attorney's Office. Also 30 years, Al Fink from Conservation, and Judy Flores from Consolidated Communications.
Thank you, Mr. Beater.
Thank you.
And thank the employees for their years of dedicated service to the county. Next is claims and payments. Mr. Beater, you going to handle that?
Yes. The total for the week was $932,608.18. Most of it was pretty typical. The one large outlier was $308,342.14 to ASPRO for the Grundy Road paving project.
Motion to approve.
Second.
Moved and seconded. Any discussion on any of the items? Hearing none, this is the resolution. Please answer as your name is called.
Leyland,
Yes.
Little,
Yes.
Schwartz,
Yes.
Jelka,
Yes.
White.
Yes, resolution adopted. Next is receive project updates from department heads and elected officials. Morning, Kathy.
Good morning, Board. Kathy Nicholas, County Engineer. Just a reminder that tomorrow is the ribbon cutting event for the Grundy Road project. That will be at 11 a.m. and the weather does look favorable, so it doesn't sound like we will be needing to move it to Thursday. So that's 11 a.m. tomorrow. Out at Zion Lutheran Church, which is on the project, it will be in the parking lot of that at the church. If you have any questions, let me know. I would also like to introduce our new roadside biologist, Griffin Sabelka. Excuse me, do you want to stand out? This is Griffin.
Morning, Griffin.
Morning.
Welcome on board.
He's an Iowa State graduate, and he has experience with Iowa DNR, and most recently with the National Resource and Conservation Service. So he will also be our weed commissioner, the Blackhawk County weed commissioner. He will be sitting here up in the courthouse, but we do expect a lot of particularly during the summer months, that he will be out and about out in the county, spraying weeds, that type of thing. So we are pleased and excited to welcome him. Can I answer any questions about road projects or anything else in my department? Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Any other department heads or elected officials? Seeing none, moving on to minutes approved for August 30th, 2022.
So move.
Second.
Moved and seconded. Any discussion? Hearing none, all in favor, aye.
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 Opposed, motion carried. Consent agenda by resolution.
So moved.
Second.
Moved and seconded. Any discussion on any of the items? Hearing none, this is a resolution. Please answer as your name is called.
Little,
Yes.
Schwartz,
Yes.
Jelka,
Yes.
Leyland,
Yes.
White.
Yes, resolution adopted. Next is proclamations. This is a resolution to proclaim the month of September as Hunger Action Month.
So moved.
Grant?
Second.
Second.
You have that?
Probably. Here's the proclamation. Whereas hunger and poverty are issues of vital concern in Black Hawk County, in Iowa, over 229,000 people face hunger, and over 80,000 are children who do not know where their next meal will come from. And whereas Black Hawk County is committed to taking steps to combat hunger in every part of our community and to provide additional resources that those in Black Hawk County need. And whereas Black Hawk County is committed to working with the Northeast Iowa Food Bank, a member of the Feeding America nationwide network of food banks, in educating people about the role and importance of food banks in addressing hunger and raising awareness of the need to devote more resources and attention to hunger issues. And whereas more individuals in Black Hawk County rely on food provided by the members of the Northeast Iowa Food Bank annually, and whereas the coronavirus pandemic has had devastating health and economic impact across the country, and it is projected that more people could face hunger in Black Hawk County in the wake of the pandemic this year, and whereas the members of the Northeast Iowa Food Bank distributed more than 3.2 million meals to Black Hawk County residents in 2021 through its network of food pantries, soup kitchens, shelters, and other community organizations. And whereas the month of September has been designated Hunger Action Month in order to bring attention to food insecurity in our communities and to enlist the public in the fight to end hunger by taking action, including volunteer shifts, social media shares, and donations, to ensure nobody has to make an impossible choice between food and other necessities like medicine, utilities, or childcare. And whereas food banks across the country, including the Northeast Iowa Food Bank, will host numerous events throughout the month of September to bring awareness and help end hunger in their local community. Now, therefore, we, the Black Hawk County Board of Supervisors, do hereby recognize September 2022 as Hunger Action Month in Black Hawk County, and we call this observance to the attention of our citizens.
Thank you, Grant. Barb, would you like to say anything?
Sure. Good morning.
Good morning.
Food shouldn't be an impossible choice. For those food insecure, daily, food is an impossible choice, along with whether they can pay their rent, utilities, or even child care bills. When we surveyed those using our pantry, 65% reported they struggled paying their transportation costs this past year, and half cited they were unable to pay their utility bill because, for whatever reason, they do not have the resources to pay them. Half of those we served are on Social Security. Some people are working 2 and 3 jobs. Still others are affected by medical bills and loss of income, and some grandparents are even taking care of their grandchildren, which they never expected to do. As a result, people reach out to places like the Northeast Iowa Food Bank and all of our programs, and those who receive food through us, to get the additional food assistance that they need. Why? Because their income does not allow them to make ends meet. The good news in the last year is the number of food insecure people is much lower. However, at the same time, we're all fighting inflation. Not only the people that we serve, but the food bank itself, with higher gas prices, higher costs of food, as well as higher, overall higher prices. Our new brand is a symbol to ensure that those who need help have every meal every day. And we do this by collaborating, educating, and advocating for the food insecure person. And you can help us this September with Hunger Action Month by participating in one of our events, which you can find at our website, www.northeastiowafoodbank.org. The perfect storm is brewing right now. Inflation is not only hindering our work, more people who may not be identifying through, as national surveys say, as food insecure need our help. Your generosity has helped us meet the need over the years, and we ask that you continue to stay involved. You will help us ensure that food is not an impossible choice. On behalf of the Food Bank Board staff and our volunteers, thank you for the support we get from the county, and thank you for what you do to help raise the awareness and level of food insecurity in our community.
Thank
Any
you, Barb.
questions?
Thank you very much.
Yep. Thank you very much.
This resolution, please answer as your name is called.
Schwartz.
Yes.
Jelka,
Yes.
Leyland,
Yes.
Little,
Yes.
White.
Yes, resolution adopted. This is other business. This is a resolution that the travel request submitted by Amanda Fessenmeyer, Human Resource Director, be approved and direct the chair to sign for same, $550 to attend the National Public Employer Labor Relations Association Academy and Iowa Public Employer Labor Relations Association Fall Conference in Ames, Iowa, scheduled for September 14th to the 16th, 2022.
So moved.
Second.
Moved and seconded. Any discussion on this item? Hearing none, this is a resolution. Please answer as your name is called.
Jelka,
Yes.
Leyland,
Yes.
Little,
Yes.
Schwartz,
Yes.
White.
Yes, resolution adopted. Next, a resolution that the travel request submitted by Amanda Fessenmeyer, Human Resource Director, be approved and direct the chair to sign for same. $1,102 for Shari Gallmeyer and Anna Knapp and Amanda Fessenmeyer to attend the Iowa Employment Fall Conference meeting in Altoona, Iowa, scheduled for October 19th, 2022.
So moved.
Second.
Moved and second. Any discussion? Hearing on this resolution, please answer as your name is called.
Leyland,
Yes.
Little,
Yes.
Schwartz,
Yes.
Jelka,
Yes.
White.
Yes, resolution adopted. This is a resolution that the rate increase in the amount of 1% is submitted by the Waterloo Water Works effective January 1st, 2023, in accordance with 111.2 of the 28E agreement with the Waterloo Water Works regarding the Washburn water system be approved.
So moved.
Second.
Moved and seconded. Any discussion on this item? This is a resolution. Please answer as your name is called.
Little,
Yes.
Schwartz,
Yes.
Jelka,
Yes.
Leyland,
Yes.
White.
Yes, resolution adopted. Next, a resolution that the suspension requested by Bev Beaumont on taxes owed for 2022-2023 installments in the amount of $638 pursuant to 427.8 of the Code of Iowa and at the county treasurer be authorized and directed to adjust her records accordingly.
So moved.
Second.
Moved and second. Any discussion on this item? Hearing none, this resolution, please answer as your name is called.
Schwartz,
Yes.
Jelka,
Yes.
Leyland,
Yes.
Little,
Yes.
White.
Yes, resolution adopted. Next, the resolution that the suspension requested by Judy Langham on taxes owed for 2022-2023 installments in the amount of $956 be approved pursuant to 427.8 of the Code of Iowa, and the county treasurer be authorized and directed to adjust her records accordingly.
So moved.
Second.
Moved and seconded. Any discussion on this item? Hearing none, this is a resolution. Please answer as your name is called.
Jelka,
Yes.
Leyland,
Yes.
Little,
Yes.
Schwartz,
Yes.
White.
Yes, resolution adopted. Next is a resolution that the suspension requested by Jason McGee on taxes owed for 2022-2023 installments in the amount of $3,226 be approved pursuant to 427.8 of the Code of Iowa, and the county treasurer be authorized and directed to adjust her records accordingly.
So moved.
Second.
Moved and seconded. Any discussion? Hearing none, this resolution, please answer as your name is called.
Leyland,
Yes.
Little,
Yes.
Schwartz,
Yes.
Jelka,
Yes.
White.
Yes, resolution adopted. Is there any reports or information from the board? Just a reminder that this Friday starting at 3 o'clock, we'll be starting our 45-hour vigil for the 45 Blackhawk County Vietnam veterans that failed to come home due to being killed in action or missing in action or prisoners of war. With that, I'll entertain a motion for adjournment.
So moved.
Second.
Moved and seconded. We are adjourned.
Thank you.